Hey guys, this is Imran from imstech.com. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an animation or an animated GIF using Fireworks CS5. The first thing we need to do is press Fireworks document PNG. So I've clicked on that and I need to select my width and height. I'm going to pick 500 by 500. You can select a different size if you want. Canvas color, I'm going to keep it transparent and we'll see the benefits of doing that in a second, but we can also pick a color, whether it's a white or a custom color. I'm just going to keep it transparent. I'm going to press OK. Now the main thing to remember about animations is that an animation is basically similar, well, it is a cartoon, it's similar to a cartoon. We all know how cartoons are made. You've got the same image or the same object, but each time it changes a little bit and it gives this illusion that it's animating. So that is exactly what we're going to do. In this example, I'm going to animate a star, and you think of the pages that are flickering when we create a cartoon as different states. So right here I've got states. I've got state 1. So at the moment there's nothing except for the first state. First thing I'm going to do is add a auto shape, which is going to be a star. I'm going to draw a small star, pick a color on the properties panel, just going to make it slightly lighter blue. So you can see my star is right there. It's right in the center of the page, or center of the canvas I should say. And now what I'm going to do, my first step is I'm going to press duplicate states, not add a state. If I press add a state, it'll give me a new state which is blank. I don't want that. I want to duplicate my state. So I've pressed duplicate state. I'm going to duplicate it just once and I'm going to press OK. Now using the select pointer tool, so on the select section, the pointer tool, I'm going to select my star and I'm going to click a yellow pointer, which is this one, and I'm going to pull it out a little bit to give me a slightly different effect. Again, I'm going to duplicate this state, press OK, and pull it out a little bit more. Again, duplicate state, press OK, pull it out even more. Yeah, so as you can see, this is my first state, second state, third state, fourth state. Again, duplicate state, press OK, and pull it out even more just to see what we get. So it's starting to develop now. I'm going to duplicate state again, press OK. So as you guys can see, all I'm doing each time is just making some sort of a change, and each time I'm changing it a little bit just to give it more of an effect. Let's see what happens if I do it a few more times, and so on. Basically the stars just expanded out. So if I go to the first state now and I press the play button right here, if I press play, you can see it's starting to just develop out. Okay, so that was just a very simple example of how to animate. You guys can be more creative with it. You can sort of add a video response to this if you guys make something even better, or just comment, rate and subscribe. But before I leave you guys, I'm just going to give you a really quick example of how to actually what's the word, export this. So what I'm going to do is just the simplest way I know how is to press save as, give it a name. I'm just going to call it star, and click on animated GIF, which is this one right here, and press save. What I'm going to do is just to show you guys what this has done. I'm just going to load it up into PowerPoint. Okay, so you can see this PowerPoint is just a slide. It's black at the background, and I'm going to show you guys what the transparency does, the transparency settings. So okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a picture. I'm going to select my desktop. I'm going to select the star, press OK, and if I hit F5 on this, it should show me. Yeah, it's not the best looking, to be honest, because of all the edges, but on a white background or a lighter background it should actually look pretty cool, and you can see it's just animating. So you guys can be creative with it and do different things. I hope you guys have enjoyed the tutorial, and at least you guys got to see what the transparency settings do. And yeah, again, comment, rate, subscribe, and give me some feedback. Let me know. Peace.